how I take care of my skin, and also maybe a few unboxings. Not many. I'll probably do a few luxury videos. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Tayo. To my channel subscribers, thank you so much for coming to watch another video today. Happy New Year to everybody, and we hope 2022 will be a better year for us. Thank God for keeping us to see another new year. And so yeah, this year is going to be another year of YouTube for me and things like that. So just decided to just come and just have a chat, talk about things, talk about what I plan to do this year, what my videos will be about, and all that. Really just a chat. Really, it's been a while since I've had a chat, so I thought I'll just come in today and just do that. Anyway, so I'm going to do quite a few videos about skincare. I'm going to do a few more videos about my skin routine, skincare. I get a lot of questions and people keep asking me, how does your skin look so good? But I know it's not about the way I look after my skin, but I think it's more about genes. Yeah, but I also do look after my skin. So I've taken on board what people have been saying about Clarins. So I have a video that is one of my most watched videos actually. It's a video about Lancome, and also another video about Clarins. I did those videos in 2019, and in the one about Clarins, I talked about the Clarins serum. I got a few comments from people saying, oh, I didn't use it properly, I didn't really do it the right way. So recently I traveled, and on my way back duty free I was able to get the Clarins at a reduced price because it's quite expensive. And so this year I'm going to be trying to use this one. As you can see around here, this part of my face is darker. I haven't been using serum, I could say, for the past 3 months now. I ran out of my normal serum, and then I decided, oh, I'll just give it a break anyway. But I can actually see the difference, especially since I just came back from Nigeria. So my skin's a bit darker, especially around my mouth. You know, when the sun goes on your skin. I have quite a few videos about skincare and things like that, so I'll just link them in the description box. But yeah, I'm going to be trying this Clarins double serum. I'm not going to do a video where I'll show, oh, this is me using it day 1, day 2, day 3 and all that. It's a very long video and it's really quite difficult to do. So I'm just going to let you see my face, and maybe in about a month's time I'm going to come back and maybe you'll be able to tell the difference. I don't really know if it's going to make a difference really, but people have said, oh, you didn't use it the right way, so don't say what you said. Anyway, so yeah, I only used it for 5 days and I only used the sample size, so yeah, I guess they're right. So now I'm going to try it, use it properly, and I'm going to do quite a few videos about serums and things like that, creams that I use. So guys, I tend to take quite good care of my skin, I believe I do. I've got my Estee Lauder Day Wear Plus, but it's finished now, so I got some samples from a very nice lady at the counter when I bought my moisturizer. So this is my normal cream, Estee Lauder Day Wear Plus. I've been using this cream now for well over 15 years, but there are times when I don't use it, but it really does make a difference. When I stop using it excuse me, when I stop using it, I actually do notice this part of my face being darker. So that's my regular cream, my Estee Lauder Day Wear Plus. I've got these ones that I'm going to use for a while, but I also use other creams. I use my Lacura. This is a cream from, I think it's Lidl or Aldi. I'm not really sure which one of them, but yeah, it's one of them. I'll put the cream, I'll put a picture of it. I looked for it, I can't find it, but that's what I'm actually using, and at the moment, and it has SPF of 30. I took it with me to Nigeria and I used it quite a lot in the sun, you know, and it really helped with my making sure that my skin was protected from the sun, because the SPF of 30 would do that. I have quite a few videos about skincare and all that on my channel, so I'm going to link them in the description box in case you want to watch. But yeah, that's it. And also I also use so this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I use that as well. So these are samples of it. That's the one I used last. That was my last serum. So I use quite a few different serums actually. I use Lancome, I use Estee Lauder Night Repair, and now I'm using Clarins. Clarins I haven't really used before, so we're going to see how that will work on my skin. and this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate as well. So I've got these samples which I'm going to use for the time being. And the reason why I got these samples was when I bought this cream. Bronze Goddess. This is, to me, this is one of the best moisturizers in the world. Yeah, that is a really great thing to say, but for me this is one of the best creams that I've ever used in my life. It really is lovely. It's so rich, so moisturizing, so thick, and it's very scarce, you know. So I got into the shop that day. It was just a few weeks to Christmas, and I said, okay, let me just find out if they have it. Fortunately, she had one left, which I bought. And I usually say to the ladies, oh, are you going to put anything extra? You know, I just say it in a nice way. And this lady was really nice. She filled in, put everything in a box, wrapped the box up in this, and I left it. I decided to, okay, I'm going to open it after Christmas. So I did an unboxing. I think I did an unboxing on Instagram. Yeah, so I kept it and I just opened it after Christmas, because obviously I wasn't around for Christmas. I was in Nigeria. So yeah, but this cream is lovely. It really is. It's one of my best creams. And when you use this cream, you don't need to use perfume. You don't need to use perfume. It's so thick. I don't know if you can see it. It's so thick, very thick. 200 mils. Fairly well. It is expensive. It's a luxury cream, so it's not something I use all the time. I use it occasionally. Now that it's scarce, I'm actually not going to be using it all the time. It's just going to be maybe once a week, or if I'm going out or something. I have my regular moisturizer that I use. But yeah, I do tend to love to look after my skin, so that's really all I can say. And then because I get a lot of questions about it, I probably just do videos. Wrinkles, I think, has to do with its genes as well. But yeah, I guess it's just genes really. And then also good skincare. I try not to go to bed with makeup on. I try to clean it, even no matter how tired I am, I try to clean it off. I use micellar water and all that, you know. So yeah, those are some of the things I do. So this year I intend to do a few more videos about skincare and how I take care of my skin, and also maybe a few unboxings. Not many. I'll probably do a few luxury videos. Yeah, I'll do a few videos about things I like to buy and all that, you know. So general things that affect us in life, you know. I tend to do the odd video. I'll do a few vlogs, you know. I've still got my vlogs from Nigeria that I'm going to upload. Right now I'm quite busy, so I want to edit them properly, so I'm going to do that. So that'll be memories for my siblings, my nephews and nieces to all watch and all that. So yeah, I'm going to do quite a few videos, try and be a bit more regular and all that. So guys, if you are thinking of unsubscribing, which I hope you're not, just hang in there. I'm going to try and be a bit more adventurous this year, try and improve my editing skills as well and all that. So guys, just stick around with me and let's just ride through 2022 together. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.